have an idea or project that could be brought to life or simplified with a professional and cost-effective aerial and ground-based video and photography service, then Capture Videography is the place for you. Capture Videography is based in Preston, Lancashire in the northwest of England, and we take real pride in listening carefully to your ideas and in helping them to materialise in a simple, professional, friendly and cost-effective way. For personal projects we offer a range of exciting services including stunning aerial photographs and video of your home, capturing of other special events such as christenings, family gatherings and parties, white label drone video and photography to assist your wedding or special events photographer or videographer to add a touch of aerial magic to their final footage, and not forgetting our family video portrait package, capturing your family and loved ones' special moments in a never to be forgotten video format. Gift vouchers are also available for all of these packages to create a unique and very special gift for a loved one. We would be very happy to discuss your ideas and help them to come to life. For more commercial-based projects we offer school and college video prospectus, school play and special event productions, simple, efficient and detailed building and roof inspections, estate agency promotional videos and photography, business promotional videos, commercial aerial videos and photographs, and just about any other project you can imagine to quickly and easily solve your interesting, challenging or difficult to access projects. Every project is carefully planned and risk assessed to ensure the highest standards, carried out by Jim Askham, our fully qualified and insured drone pilot. Jim is also an experienced videographer and commercial project manager and will help to carefully manage your project at every step, keeping things simple, friendly and professional from start to finish. We take real pride in making sure that you and your customers are delighted with the experience and results every time. With Capture Videography, you're in safe hands. We are happy to deliver projects of various shapes and sizes, and our state-of-the-art aerial drone is able to bring a new perspective to your project that just cannot be seen or imagined from the ground. Final raw footage can then be sent to you quickly and directly to use and edit yourself, or can be professionally edited for you by our team. For more information and a no-obligation chat about your idea or project, please contact us on 07801 996 074, via email at info@capturevideography.co.uk or by visiting our website. We look forward to hearing from you and helping to bring your project ideas to life.